Welcome back to the channel, guys. You're back with One Life Cars for another tutorial. This one's on the Vauxhall Astra Mark 5. This is a 2006 model, 1.4 Ecotec. This is what we're looking at here, the engine. Today I'm going to show you guys how to remove and replace the oil pressure switch or oil pressure sensor, which is this thing here. And also there'll be a link in it in this same video, because you can probably see the state of the rocker cover gasket is leaking from literally everywhere. You see, all the way around the front, both corners, and all the way up both sides. It doesn't really leak on the back because it's on a slight tilt this way. But in today's video I'm just going to show you how to remove this oil pressure switch, which it's most likely leaking from as well, as they do leak from there. If you've got the oil light flickering on and off, it can be a couple of things, but this is a common problem, this switch failing as it gets a bit older and leaking, which also releases oil pressure. Obviously the main problem on this engine is the actual rocker cover gasket, as it'll be losing all its pressure and oil from there. But we're doing this switch and the gasket in a separate video. So the first thing you want to do is get this clip off. I just tend to get a little flat screwdriver, like so, under that, and it pops straight off, or you have to give it a bit of a wiggle with your fingers, but that one just pops straight off like that. Next thing, you're going to get an adjustable spanner, a big one here, and adjust it to the right size would help. It's quite tight, this. One thing I will say, this engine's really hot. It's only just got here, but we want to get on with the filming. Try and wait for it to cool a bit, because everything expands when it's hot, so it's just going to make it harder, and you're likely to get burnt by hot oil. So the next thing you're going to do is just undo this sensor and get it out, and then I'll show you guys the new one. Right guys, got the old one off. As you can see here, sort of a bit, there's not much to see really as opposed to where it's just a sensor, but yeah, it looks worn probably. Here's the new one. Nice fresh gasket on it, or washer, which is the main thing we want to stop it from leaking. And this surface here, you just want to make sure, it's quite hot this, you just want to make sure that that surface that it goes against is clean, there's no bits of sort of corrosion or oil residue on it. So the new one tightens up. I'm just going to put this new one in, nip it up. Don't overdo it on a big adjustable like that. You don't need it mega tight, but you know, give it a good nip. If you need the official torque ratings to tighten it properly with a torque bar, then let me know in the comments and I'll give them you. But yeah, I'm just going to get this new one in, screw it back in, nip it up and clip the sensor back in. If you've got any sort of dewatering fluid or electrical spray, give the sensor a spray and a good clean up. I mean the sensor, should I say, the plug that goes into the sensor, because you can see that's full of oil, so it can't be doing much of that. To make sure it actually reads the sensor and gets back. In fact, this is a good point, this. Yeah, make sure that's clean, because I can't see how that's going to work. It's full of oil in the top. But yeah, we'll get that back together. I hope you found this useful. That's how to remove and replace the oil pressure sensor or the oil pressure switch on the Vauxhall Astra Mark 5. My name's Sam Clark. You're watching One Life Cars. If you like this sort of stuff, then hit that subscribe button. If you want to request a tutorial on your own car, or a car that's not even on the channel, let me know. I can make it happen. Let us know in the comments or direct message us, whatever suits you best. Other than that guys, that's it from me today. Till next time, peace. Right.